Battery expansion module undervoltage 3011. The Fusion Solar app and Smart PVMS report alarm 3011. If the alarm battery expansion module undervoltage is generated, the voltage sampled at the battery port is less than 320 volts during battery charging. Check whether the battery power cables are securely connected. Use the following solution for troubleshooting. Perform the power-off operations in the sequence as shown in the figure. Use a multimeter to check whether the voltage of the PV port on a battery expansion module is too low. Check whether the power cables of battery expansion modules are securely connected. Check whether the power cable of a battery pack is damaged. Replace the cable if it is damaged. After ensuring that the cable connection is correct, power on the system in the specified sequence and check whether the alarm is cleared. If the alarm persists, contact Huawei technical support.